ladies and gentlemen, sitting next to me is a man who, I promise you, if you had to put prescription glasses on to me, you'd think, wow, twins. Literally, the same guy. It happens to him a lot. Hey, Pops, is this you? No! Ladies and gentlemen, it's not. The one and only Mpho Popps! What's going on, dog? No, I mean, I'm delicious, man.
You know, and you know, you're telling the truth. It happens all the time, man. All the time. People are just like, is this Mubs? Is this Mubs? And I understand, but I've never experienced it the other way around. I get it though.
Boy, we need to review some of these contracts here today. You save your laps for me.
Okay, what are we watching here? What's this?
Oh, these guys are playing fake tennis.
Oh, get his sound effect, the fan.
You obviously can't relate.
Oh, you can feel that one.
Bones broke. I'm sure
You
you did that
can
one.
actually, but look how close.
Person lands to the cliff side as well there. What is it in their like lack of desire to live?
I mean, you've done it all, you've seen it all, you know? You've owned people, you've done things in life. There's not much to do. Let me jump off a cliff. I know what he is and towards it. Don't judge people. You are out here.
No, man. Hey.
You camp in snow, my brother. You leave Africa and go camp in snow. I know the black. Come. Oh, you see? Didn't measure.
Oh, scorpion as well. You see that? You see that scorpion on the back? It's just pause it there. Yeah, the flexibility.
Oh. No, he's not that flexible. He learned today.
He learned in the moments.
He learned today. She rested all.
Oh!
I thought there was the ball on the net. That's a ice on the floor.
But you see how cool she is afterwards. She just takes it like a champ and just like keeps it moving.
Dog, you have to be. Okay, she just got an ear. She's lucky.
Just the earful.
Yeah, it's just the earful. Because if she got that trunk, she doesn't look like she can handle that trunk.
Not at all. Not at all.
Marie Ngulesete.
It's
Wait, can we just talk about the production quality of this, right? Mosquito Sounds. Look at the movement of how she moves the Mosquito Sound. And then she
set it up perfectly. I want to do more talk on. Put it right there.